Hello everyone, welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we're just going to jump right into it. We are unboxing a duffel bag. Now this duffel bag I got to use for prepping. I did not get it for the gym or anything else, but it's to use to store prepping items. It's cheap and I thought it would be something worth investing in. So you can see how big it is. It's very big. It's going to fit a lot of stuff. So if you are using it for sports equipment, for gym equipment, to store stuff, or for your tools or whatnot, whatever you use it for, you're going to have plenty of room. I mean, half my body could fit in this bag. So overall I'm seeing it's really made nice. Tons of room. I mean, tons of room. Like, we can put a lot of bug out and prepping stuff in here, that's for sure. It looks like it's got a pocket in here if you want to put something else. That goes on the inside. I don't see any other pockets, I don't believe. So yeah, this is going to work excellent for what I want to do. So I can give this, oh, here's another, so you got a pocket on the other side, which is facing the outside to put stuff in. So that will be on the side. So you got 3 pockets on the side, on that side. This side, you got 3 pockets as well. So 3, you get 6 pockets total. I don't see any on the ends. You get a pocket that's folded inside as well, so this one folds inside. So yeah, whatever use you want to use this for, you're going to have tons of room. That is for sure. Tons and tons of room. There's a link in my video description if you are interested in this product. I actually like it. I think it's going to work perfectly for what we want to use it for. So I'm very impressed. I'm giving it a 7.9 out of 10 based on the price and everything else that you get with it. Definitely highly recommend it. Definitely. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video and choosing to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Did you know I actually have multiple YouTube channels? So if you guys are interested, check out all my other YouTube channels if you are into other different content. So up here, as you guys can see, it should be right up in here. These are my other YouTube channels spelled out. So just search them. And I appreciate it so much. Thank you guys so much for subscribing and checking out my other channels. You guys are the best and you're the reason why I do this. So thank you so much for hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, and checking out my other channels. See you guys on the next video.